Hi guys, good morning and good evening everyone. It's me again, Ryan, back with finally a good trading day. Yeah, it's been a while. Today we only had few movers. We had SQ and CCL. SQ did not move in the first few minutes, in the first 2 minutes at all, like no movement. So it wasn't, it wasn't doing what I expected. So I ended up trading CCL. As you can see right now, we have CCL. Finally my lines were hit, and these are my favorite type of trading, and it was obvious that it was weak. So as you can see right here, my lines, that's where I entered. I should have entered here, but sometimes I'm kind of scared. But let's look at Roku first before we do our SQ trade. So if I was trading SQ, as you can see in the first minute, there's no volume at all. So it's like everyone was waiting. And if you look at CCL, yeah, there was volume. I was thinking which one to trade, because I really wanted to trade SQ, but it wasn't moving at all. So everyone was waiting in line. And I said, even in the second minute, it wasn't doing anything. I'm a very impatient person, right? So, and then on the third one, it did actually move. So as you can see, if I entered here for breakout, and next level was this, I could have done trading in, imagine if I was here, and then I was anticipating for a break of hive day, and probably risk, I don't know, this candle is probably 13 cents. Is it 13 cents? No, so we'll probably risk view up area, let's say 60. So I'll probably be risking 20 cents. And then look at that, from 20 to almost 80-cent move. Crazy. And then see, it pulled back, which is, I'll probably out more here if I was trading it. And then here, and then boom. Yeah, so probably be all out because it's hovering in this area. And then new 1 minute low, all out, and then probably at break even. Last shares at break even. So that's normally how I trade. Just like that, 5 minute. And people are probably looking for a 5 minute orb somewhere here in this area. But look at that, it dumped. Good thing I did not get that. And I think it continued to soar. Look. Yeah, another level that we have if you're trading the whole day. I think this could be a good one to reach. So yeah, let's look at my SQ trade. Oh, not SQ, CCL trade. So I still have a very, very tiny share that I want to wait until I reach this level, 43. This one is like a very small share. Yeah, I just want to play around and see if it really hit my level. So this is where I got in, went down, level, took some off. Good thing I did not. I was thinking of adding here, but I said no, I don't want to give back, and I'm done for the day. And I took some more off here because 60 was a recent, there was a lot of buyers pushing this stock around this area. I can see it from level 2. Yeah, and here and then back here. So yeah, I think let's watch the trading video I did. Yeah, so if you look closely, it's not moving at all, right? SQ wasn't moving. So I was thinking, oh, then there you go. Then I moved to, moved to CCL. So I entered here. I think my average cost was 44.73. So right above this line. I think I probably saw this somewhere. This red line is not pre-market low. I think this is probably a daily line. And I said, I pre-planned this, so I was thinking actually of shorting somewhere here. You know, if it opens green, I was thinking of shorting back. That's why I had these lines, but it didn't work. So I ended up shorting early. I see some. This is ACB. I don't want that. I like Nasdaq. I don't see any level, so I was kind of scared when I entered. But when I looked at I have another level too that has like longer, like twice the size of this, like really long level 2. You can see a lot of bigger orders in that area. So I see some during that time. So let's probably yeah. So I was focusing. While I was trading this, I wasn't looking at the candlesticks at all. I was just looking at level 2 and time and sales and the price action. That's 2 price. So they have like really huge spread. So that's crazy. So it's not 20 cents, but almost 20 cents spread. So you don't want to hit the bid or hit this. You know, you want to hit the bid and hit the ask. So I normally just like just send a limit order. It depends how it moves, or if it's tight, then that's where I take profit. As you can see, so I took my first partial here, which is a small partial. Sometimes I just like taking it just for commission, to pay for my commission, and then my target was really this was my initial target. I think I was risking above VWAP here at this area. When it goes above VWAP, then I will consider getting out, because it did reject this line, but it did not pull back at all. So yeah, this will be the target. I was just thinking of getting a 50 cent move. That was my target. Yeah, so see that red? So that's a sign that everyone's just dumping and they just want to get out. So every time the spread gets tighter, they dump. Gets tighter, they dump, because you don't want to dump when the spread is 20 cents, right? Yeah, dump. So that's why I took more off. And sometimes when I'm taking profit, when I see like huge greens, like a lot of orders of greens, I get out a bit, because it could squeeze you. Yeah, so I'm at my level now with a decent profit. So I'm out just 50%. Yeah, I was just out 50% with this 3. I was taking very little profit, because I really want to get more profit around this area that I really anticipated. I was trying to respect my levels. So I was out 50% here. And yeah, so I was closely watching level 2. I said, I don't like this. 4440 will be somewhere here. So if it makes a new high, then could probably go back to my break even. I don't want that. If it makes a new 1 minute high, could probably go back to my break even, and I step out. So I was thinking, should I take more because I have more profit here, or just wait? Because I have another level here, but it's too far. So yeah. Yeah, I did I ended up taking more. I think I'm not sure how and why. I think I was seeing green prints here. I was kind of scared. So I think I was out majority of my position here. Yeah. Yeah, I think I'm out 50%, 80%. So I have I have 10%, 20% left, if I'm not wrong. Yeah, I have 20% left. And I said, let's watch. Oh yeah, another reason why I took a lot, because as you can see the big orders here. So I have another filter that has a I have another level 2 that has a filter of just above 5,000 shares. So I see a lot of green prints above 5,000 shares. So that's probably the reason why I took a lot at this area, because looking at that 44, everyone was just buying in this area 44. Yeah, I wish I pull it back. If I pull it back, if I put the time and sales here, you'll see it. So looking at it now, there's a lot of orders at 44, really big orders, like 31,000 shares. Yeah, so I took 10% here, so I'm sure I have my last 10%. I have my last 10%. Look, let's look. Yeah, I have my last 10% share. Yeah, that's correct. So it's printing green and red. Yep, I see orders here. There you go. That's what I want. That's why I waited patiently here. There, see that? Because of those orders. Oh, maybe I didn't get hit. Did I get hit? Maybe I didn't. I think my order was a bit too far. I think my order was 43.55. There, this is what I was telling you. 44, as you can see, round number, huge size, round number. So this is where I said maybe at 44, it's, you know, it's kind of strong. You know, everyone's probably trying to buy back. Green means they hit the ask. So yeah, let's watch. So when it reached this area, I was seeing green prints. So it's getting rejected at VWAP. Is see more green? I said, okay, this will be hit. So this one is break even. And this one is, I'm thinking of getting out 5% of my last 10%. The 5% of my overall position. Yeah, we're here. So I see more orders here, which, and then when you see orders like that and you see red, it means, you know, they're being eaten out. So price could go down eventually. Yep, I see a lot of red prints and big orders. Not big orders, but big enough. Yeah, so my order is at 43.55, and I said, it looks like I'm going to miss it again. The low of day is 43.60. So should I get out at 60? Should I get out and hit the ask? But I see some orders here. So, you know, I was tempted to just take it off. Yeah, that's what I did. So the lowest was still 60. It was holding it. Good thing I got out at 63. Yeah, I did get out at 63. So I was just 3 cents away because the ask was here. I did hit the ask. And then look what happened. Boom. So yeah, this was, I'm out 90%, 95%. So I want to play around and let's see where this goes. And yeah, I really wanted this to go at this level. Yeah, that's it. So yeah, guys. So I hope you guys like it. It's at least today was I'd say a good move. Yeah, I got nothing to say. Thank you for all the support. Please, if you haven't, please subscribe to my channel. That's probably one of the reason why I wanted to do this. I want to get more subscribers, so I want to share my journey and probably share to the ones who are not who doesn't have experience in day trading yet. I want to show them how it works, how to lose money as well and make money for sure. So yeah, have a good one. Today's Thursday, just one more trading day tomorrow. I have one red day this week, which was from Roku. Yeah, have a good one. Peace.